Hello everyone, welcome to Onboard Digital Classes. Today's topic is Delimitation Commission. What is delimitation? Delimitation means the process of fixing the numbers of seats and boundaries of territorial constituencies in each state for the Lok Sabha and legislative assemblies. We know that in India we have 543 Lok Sabha seats. And who determines this number of seats is the Delimitation Commission. Similarly, there are 294 seats in West Bengal Legislative Assembly. Even this is decided by Delimitation Commission. Now let us understand whether Delimitation Commission is a constitutional body, is it a statutory body or a legal body. Delimitation Commission is a statutory body because it is established by Parliament under Delimitation Commission Act. Article 82 says that there should be Delimitation Commission for the Union Government. And similarly, Article 170 says there should be the Delimitation Commission to be constituted for state government. And it is a duty for Parliament to enact Delimitation Act after every census that happens after 10 years. Delimitation Commission is an independent body. Why is it an independent body? Because the government might pressurize the Delimitation Commission to increase the seat as per their convenience. And also, Delimitation Commission works in collaboration of Election Commission and not under executive. That means they do not take order from Prime Minister or even any other ministers. They work independently. And it is the President of India who appoints the Election Commission and not the Prime Minister. And this is perhaps the most important aspect of Delimitation Commission because their decision is final and therefore it cannot be questioned before the court of law. Nobody can file an PIL before law and challenge the decision of the Delimitation Commission. For example, if they say that they are going to increase the number of seats from 543 to 600, nobody can question this decision. Now let's understand the composition of Delimitation Commission. First is the retired Supreme Court judge. The judge has to be retired. Second, the Chief Election Commissioner. Present Chief Election Commissioner name is Rajiv Kumar. And third is respected State Election Commissioner. Every state has an election commissioner and even they are the part of a Delimitation Commission. Till date, Delimitation Commission was constituted 4 times. First in 1952, second in 1963, third in 1973 and fourth in 2002. In fact, this was the exact question which has come in this year's UPSC preliminary examination. What are the functions of Delimitation Commission? We have already discussed that they determine the boundaries. They select the number of constituencies and the boundaries so that population of all constituencies is nearly equal. That is one of the most important function of Delimitation Commission. And also another important function of Delimitation Commission is the allocation of seats to scheduled tribes and scheduled castes. The Delimitation Commission has the power to allocate the seats for these representatives. And this power is derived by the Election Commission through Article 330 and Article 332. Of the Constitution of India. So why is Delimitation Commission important? First, to ensure fair geographical area. That means it should not be like one part of the country is getting more representatives and another part of the country is getting less representatives. There should be an equal representative from every part of the country. And second is to ensure equal representation from every seat. Not a single community should feel that their voice is not heard in the parliament. So it is the duty of a Delimitation Commission to ensure that every voice is heard in the Parliament and also to ensure the principle of one vote, one value. This means a vote of a rich person should not be more as compared to those who are not rich. Since Delimitation Commission determines the seat of a place based on the population, as a result, states which had more population gain. For example, places like Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, they got more number of MPs as compared to Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, which means the northern part of Bharat got more representatives or more MPs as compared to southern part. That is the reason why 84th Constitution Amendment Act was done in 2002 that froze the delimitation of Lok Sabha and state assembly seats until the first census after 2026. Basically, the idea was to reduce the number of population in the northern belt so that when delimitation happens in 2026, southern belt will also not lag behind as compared to the northern belt. The present borders that we see today was established based on 2001 census. However, the number of Lok Sabha seats and state assembly seats remain unchanged based on 1971 census. That is, 543 seats that were there in Lok Sabha, it was not changed in 2002 Delimitation Commission. After 2026 Delimitation Commission, this could be the two possible scenarios that might occur. First, if the Delimitation Commission says that they are not going to change these 543 seats as the case was in 2002, then what could happen is the present number of seats in UP is 80, they'll gain 11 and then the number will go to 91. Whereas the states like Kerala, the present number of seats is 20, they're going to lose 8 seats and the total number of MP from Kerala would be 12. That means the state which is mostly populated are gaining and the state which is not very populated, they are losing the seats. And in scenario number 2, if the Delimitation Commission says that they are going to increase the number of seats and make it 848, the state like UP and Bihar with the population density is extremely high, they're going to gain the most. For example, UP is going to gain 63 seats and Bihar is going to gain 39 seats, whereas the state like Kerala is not going to get anything. This is the projected seats. However, only Delimitation Commission has the power to allocate the seats to every state. With that data, we can easily presume that the number of seats is going to increase in the northern belt as compared to those in the southern belt, because the northern belt are still unable to control their population. Delimitation Commission might go with this option because we have seen the increased number of sitting capacity in the new parliament, that is 1272. This is for both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Therefore, it is high probability that we are going to see 848 MPs in the new parliament, and also there might be a possibility of one nation, one election, because the former President of India submitted the one nation, one election report to the current President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu, on 2nd of September 2023. So the possible scenario might be that the current Lok Sabha candidates, that is 443, might be increased to 848, and there might be one nation, one election, that is simultaneous election of state and Lok Sabha in 2029. So this was the short lecture. If you like the video, please like it, share it among your friends and family, and please consider subscribing the channel as well. And also, whatever you feel about this lecture, please feel free to comment below the comment box. Thank you very much.